Hi, my name's Brandon from Natural Pet Warehouse. Today we're going to do a quick review on Herbsmith Smiling Dog Treats. These treats are freeze-dried and grain-free. They contain no preservatives, additives, artificial colors or flavors or fillers. They're made right here in the United States with great ingredients. The one I'm holding here is the rabbit and duck formula. This only has 4 ingredients: rabbit, duck, broccoli, and cranberries. We also have the chicken formula. It's just chicken, apples, and spinach. And the duck formula here just has 2 ingredients: it's duck and oranges. There are other varieties that we're not even showcasing here. I just wanted to let you see that they have very simple ingredients, and typically each variety only has 2 to 4 ingredients. You can look at the texture here and you can see that they're just round, freeze-dried pieces of meat with the fruits and vegetables. They're easy to break apart if you wanted to feed them as a training treat. They're just all natural and made with very simple ingredients that your dogs love. You can order these online at naturalpetwarehouse.com or by calling 877-595-5276.